Have you ever wondered what a clock is really measuring? We see the hands move, the numbers change, and call it time. But what is time, really? Is it just memories, possibilities, and the present moment? The real mystery: does the future already exist, or is it created as we go? Is the past truly gone? Einstein's theories suggest space and time are woven together, challenging everything we think we know about cause, effect, and existence. Get ready to stretch your brain. We're about to dive into the science of time itself. Let's start with presentism, the idea that only the present moment is real. Imagine the universe as a movie being created frame by frame. The past is gone, the future unwritten. This view feels natural. We remember the past, anticipate the future, but only act in the present. Our choices seem to shape what comes next, making the future a blank canvas. But Einstein's theories suggest this intuitive picture might be completely wrong. Imagine for a moment that everything you know about time is wrong. We usually think of time as a river, always flowing forward, carrying us from the past, through the present, and into the future. But what if that's not the whole story? What if instead, every moment, past, present, and future, exists all at once, side by side, equally real and unchanging? This idea might sound strange, but it's a serious concept in physics and philosophy. This concept is called eternalism, or sometimes the block universe theory. According to eternalism, time doesn't really flow at all. Instead, all moments in time are laid out together, like pages in a book or frames in a film reel. The past isn't gone, the future isn't yet to be. They're all just different parts of a much bigger picture. To help visualize this, picture space-time as a giant loaf of bread. Each slice of bread represents a single moment in time, a snapshot of the universe at that instant. All the slices exist together, side by side, making up the whole loaf. When you cut into the loaf, you reveal a cross-section, just like how we experience a single moment. But the rest of the loaf, the past and the future, are still there, just as real as the slice you're looking at. That means the age of dinosaurs, the moment you were born, and even a dinner you'll have years from now all exist in different slices of this cosmic loaf. They're not lost or waiting to happen. They're simply located in different parts of space-time, just as different rooms exist in a house, even if you're not in them right now. Our experience of time moving forward is just our consciousness traveling through these slices, like walking from one room to another in a house. We feel the passage of time because we're only aware of one slice at a time, but the rest of the loaf, the rest of time, is still there, waiting to be experienced. Einstein's theory of relativity supports this idea by showing that space and time are deeply connected, forming a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. There's no single universal now that everyone experiences. Instead, what's now for you might be past or future for someone else, depending on where and how fast they're moving. In this block universe model, the cosmos is like a DVD that's already been recorded. Every scene, every moment, from the beginning to the end, exists together, unchanging and eternal. We're just watching the movie unfold, one frame at a time, but the whole story is already there, waiting to be discovered. To see how relativity makes time even stranger, imagine 3 alien spaceships a million light-years away. One ship is stationary, its now matches ours. Another moves away, its now is our past. The third moves toward us, its now is our future. Each observer's present is different, but all are equally valid. So, 1925, 2025, and 2125 on Earth all exist, depending on your perspective. Relativity shows there's no single present, just different slices of the space-time loaf. The universe is far stranger than our everyday experience suggests. If the block universe is real, it suggests that time is like a vast, unchanging landscape. Every moment, past, present, and future, exists simultaneously. In this scenario, is free will just an illusion? Are we merely actors playing out a script that has already been written? Are our choices already set in stone, like words carved into a monument? In this view, your life is a path already carved in space-time, a journey mapped out from start to finish. You're just experiencing it, moment by moment, like a traveler walking down a predetermined path. Every decision, big or small, from choosing what to wear to deciding on a career, was always part of the landscape, like trails merging into one path. Some argue this means we're not really making choices, just following a script like actors on a stage. Others say free will still exists, even in a block universe. If our choices come from our own thoughts and desires, they argue, then we are still exercising free will even if those thoughts and desires are determined by prior events. The debate shows how deeply time and our sense of self are connected. It challenges us to think about the nature of our existence and the true essence of our choices. Enter quantum mechanics, the science of the very small, where randomness rules. At this level, events like radioactive decay are truly unpredictable. The universe rolls dice. This randomness challenges the idea of a fully determined block universe. If quantum events are truly random, the future isn't fixed, it's open and undecided. Tiny quantum events can have huge consequences, making the future genuinely unwritten. The universe might not be a pre-recorded DVD, but a live broadcast where surprises happen. Quantum physics brings back the possibility of real choice and an open future. So, is time a block, a flow, or something else entirely? For centuries, philosophers and scientists have wrestled with this question, searching for a model that captures our experience of the past, present, and future. Some see time as a river, always moving forward, carrying us from one moment to the next. Others imagine it as a solid block, where every instant, past, present, and future, exists together, unchanging and eternal. But what if there's a third way to think about time, one that bridges these two extremes? The growing block universe offers a fascinating middle ground. In this view, the universe is like a block that's still under construction. The past and present are real and solid, like the floors of a building that have already been built. But the future? It hasn't been constructed yet. It's open, full of possibilities, and waiting to take shape. In the growing block model, only the past and present exist. The future is not yet real. It's like a foggy landscape waiting to be revealed. Each new moment, as it arrives, becomes part of the ever-expanding block of reality. The block of space-time grows as new moments become real, like pages being added to a diary, or bricks being laid in a wall. Every second, the universe expands by one more instant, and the future remains a realm of pure potential until it crystallizes into the present. The present is the leading edge, the shimmering boundary, where possibilities crystallize into reality. It's the frontier where choices are made, events unfold, and the unknown becomes the known. This model fits surprisingly well with what we know from modern physics. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that now is flexible, depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. Meanwhile, quantum mechanics suggests the future is open, with many possible outcomes until one becomes real. The growing block universe weaves these ideas together, offering a picture of time that's both grounded and dynamic. Yet, the true nature of time remains one of the deepest mysteries. Scientists and philosophers continue to debate. Is time a river, always flowing? Is it a block, fixed and unchanging? Or is it something that grows, moment by moment, as reality unfolds? Is time best understood as a winding river, a solid block, or a growing crystal, each metaphor capturing a different aspect of our experience? Or could it be that time itself is an illusion, a trick of consciousness, with reality far stranger than we can imagine? The quest to understand time is more than a scientific puzzle. It's a journey to understand the very fabric of reality, and perhaps, our own place within it.